The GEVEELIFE 850N.m cordless impact wrench is remarkably powerful, making it ideal for tasks ranging from tire removal to DIY furniture assembly. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this impact wrench offers a longer lifespan and quieter operation, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and hobbyists. With two 5.55 ampere-hour batteries and a fast charger, the wrench ensures extended usage time and quick recharging, offering up to 180 minutes of continuous operation. The adjustable 3-speed settings, reaching up to 3,300 revolutions per minute, allow for versatile work, while the forward and reverse modes offer effortless screw tightening and loosening. The package includes a comprehensive set of accessories, such as 6 sockets and 3 LED lights, enhancing usability and illumination for various projects. Customer support is readily available 24/7, ensuring any queries about the product are promptly addressed by the friendly service team.